Now let us move towards the last problem type, that is dearrangement. Now usually what is a dearrangement? To dearrange is nothing but a terrorist idea of arrangement. So what does that mean? I will take a very simple example, and if you remember this example, you will get your question right based on dearrangement 100% of time. So let us say that you went to a temple with three friends, Raju, Mohan and Shyam. These three friends went to a temple. So what happened in the temple is basically when they came out, Raju saw that the Mohan's chappal are very beautiful compared to his one. So Raju took Mohan's chappal. Then Mohan came out and he figured out that his chappals are not there. But there is one chappal that looks decently good, and then that is of Shyam. So Mohan took Shyam's chappal. And then Shyam came out and there was no option, so he took Raju's chappal. So what happened is that they came with their own chappals, but they went wearing each other's chappal. So none of the chappal was in the feet that was originally intended. Now this is known as dearrangement. So if you keep this idea into brain, you will be able to solve most of the questions. Apart from that, we have already derived a formula based on dearrangement. So that formula is, if you want to do dearrangement, then the answer is nothing but dn. It is nothing but dearrangement of n objects, and it is nothing but n factorial into 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial, and it will go till minus 1 raised to the power n by n factorial. So you can see that in this case, if you want to find d3, the answer becomes nothing but 3 factorial into 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial. You will go till 3, and there you are going to stop. If you simplify this, you get your answer. It is not very difficult because first two terms get cancelled out. So 2 is your answer. So it is very simple to calculate this. This is the first type of question that are usually based. Another type of question that you will find in the JEE Mains exam is, they will talk about few objects. So let us say that out of, there were, instead of 3 people, there were 5 people initially. And now what we are saying is 3 of them got their chappals correctly and 2 of them faced some problem. So they went into 2 incorrect people. So if this happens, so what we are going to do in this case is, out of this 5, choose 3 and give them to right people in one way. And for the remaining 2, apply dearrangement. So this is again a very simpler concept that you can use in solving JEE Mains question. Now let us see what kind of JEE question was framed in 2023. The question says that there are 5 students who have been allotted their seat as per row numbers. The number of ways, now let us go to the question, number of ways in which none of the students sit on the allotted seat. This is nothing but a classical definition based dearrangement. If you remember the temple example, you will be able to get it right in the first instant. So you can see that your answer is nothing but d5, and you put the values, becomes 5 factorial, 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial and minus 1 by 5 factorial. And if I simplify this, first 2 terms get cancelled out. So it is nothing but 5 factorial by 2 factorial minus 5 factorial by 3 factorial plus 5 factorial by 4 factorial and minus 5 factorial by 5 factorial. So simplification if I do, first part becomes 5 into 4 into 3. The second becomes 5 into 4. The third becomes 5. And the last becomes 1. So 5 into 4 is nothing but 20. 20 into 3 is nothing but 60. 60 minus 20 plus 4. And this becomes nothing but 44. And that is nothing but our answer. It is a very simple question. Direct identification of dearrangement needs to be done. If you like this video, you will also like Pragbee's unique approach to teaching students or guiding students for the last mile journey. So if you are a student who has been preparing for 2 years and going to write this exam in 2024, this is one of the best ways and platforms that you can prepare with. Unlike other crash courses who focus on teaching 100% syllabus in just 2 to 3 months, which a student took 2 years to prepare, we have a different way to approach the problem. This process works on 3 very specific steps. In step 1, we start from you. What exact preparation have you done in the last 2 years, last 1 year, last few months? And what is the minimum amount of effort, areas, concepts and problems that required to be prepared to get a very good college from JEE Mains? In step 2, based on this customized plan that was prepared based on your strengths and weaknesses and the minimum path of least resistance that you can take to get into a very good college, we align you a one-on-one faculty, a faculty who is going to teach you as a student, keeping your needs into mind, where you are getting stuck in a topic.
what kind of problems you cannot solve, and how to solve those problems in a very efficient and smart manner and convert that topic into tangible marks in JEE Mains. In step 3, we attach you to a test series, a testing platform where you can test yourself for each and every topic that you're preparing. You can write full syllabus tests and get an understanding that how this program is working for you, wherein the faculties can again sit with you and customize the plan based on your needs so that your score is getting maximized in JEE Mains exam. Using this program, Ashish was able to maximize his score in JEE Mains and JEE Advanced and was able to get into IIT Madras Mechanical in just a matter of 3 months. If you are one of those students who think that he has got the potential, who can make it, and he wants to have a smart and efficient approach at this point of time, which can maximize his or her result in JEE Mains exam, you can apply for this program in the link given in the description, and somebody from my team will get in touch with you and help you out. See you until next one.